Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Porsche Taycan. The 2025 Porsche Taycan takes electric performance to the next level, combining speed, advanced technology, and luxury. As Porsche's top electric car, it delivers an exciting driving experience with eco-friendly innovation. Sleek and sporty design. The Taycan's design stays true to Porsche style while improving aerodynamics and efficiency. Sharper LED matrix headlights for better visibility and energy use. Redesigned front bumper, improving cooling and performance. Aerodynamic wheels, reducing drag for more efficiency. New color choices for a fresh and stylish look. Active rear spoiler, adjusting for better stability at high speeds. High-tech and luxurious interior. The 2025 Taycan's cabin is both high-tech and comfortable, packed with premium features. 16.8-inch curved digital driver display with customizable information. Upgraded Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system with smarter AI assistance. Eco-friendly luxury materials, including vegan leather and recycled fabrics. New ambient lighting system, giving the cabin a futuristic feel. Advanced sports seats, offering both comfort and support. Powerful performance and smooth handling. The Taycan delivers thrilling acceleration and precise handling, making it a true Porsche. Dual motor all-wheel drive for instant power and better control. Up to 800 horsepower, depending on the model. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, delivering supercar-like speed. Improved regenerative braking, boosting efficiency and range. New adaptive air suspension, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Advanced technology and safety. Porsche loads the 2025 Taycan with the latest tech and safety features. Smart driver assist systems, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Next-gen battery technology, offering longer range and faster charging. 800V fast charging system, charging up to 80% in just 20 minutes. Upgraded infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over-the-air, OTA, software updates, keeping the car up to date. Why buy the 2025 Porsche Taycan? Supercar-level electric performance with instant acceleration. Luxurious and high-tech interior, built for comfort and convenience. Sustainable innovation, delivering power while reducing environmental impact. Iconic Porsche styling, combining tradition with modern EV design. Industry-leading EV technology, making it a top choice for electric car enthusiasts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Porsche Taycan is a perfect mix of luxury, speed, and sustainability. Whether you're racing down a track or cruising the highway, it delivers a thrilling and high-tech driving experience. With cutting-edge EV technology and Porsche's legendary craftsmanship, the Taycan proves that electric cars can be both powerful and stylish. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.